Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You recently completed your SEO course in DMT. How was your experience here?
So I really liked the experience here. The teachers were fantastic and they're really polite and they made me feel comfortable, such as I was in home.
What would you like to about the environment, especially DMT?
So I like that they gave me tips and they gave me unlimited. So if I ever get stuck, they said to me I can contact them at any time. So I think that's like the best thing about them.
Nice to hear that. And just tell me one thing. Where are you from?
I'm from, originally from United Kingdom.
United Kingdom?
Yeah, British citizen.
How do you know about DMT?
So I simply typed in digital marketing course in Lahore. And you came up with the first one, so I clicked on the link.
First one in Google.
On Google. On the Google listening first one, so I clicked on it and got in contact with them and we arranged a meeting.
Okay, thank you.
No worries, thank you, Wallace.